In this video, I want to show you the two different fuse box locations on your first gen Hyundai Santa Fe. So the first one is inside the cabin. Okay, this is the steering wheel. You're gonna go on the left side over here in the footwell. You're gonna find a small trap, a plastic trap. Put your fingers under and pull it. Okay, on this other side, I don't know if it's clear here, but it will tell you which fuse is which. So it's very easy to look at them, look at this diagram, and if you have a problem, let's say with your airbag, well, you have exactly the location of the fuse. So you know, okay, it's this one. If I look over here, very easy to find. And yeah, the second fuse box, in case you don't find whatever you want to find in this one, is under the hood. So we're gonna simply pop the hood and go over there. Okay, we're under the hood. You're gonna go on the right side. You're gonna find this cover that has a fuse box diagram, and under it, okay, you need to press these clips to remove this cap. You're gonna find your second fuse box right over here, and yeah, again, very easy to follow and to know which one is which. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.